Iron Janseng Zhu,
wearing the pink and white. Oh, these two fighters are Coliseum.
really, a new Cebu Coliseum. It's it's a
As always, Sir Sandy, a great announce.
Iron Paul Abney. They call him the assassin.
Ang tawag naman kay nung
Pinatumba.
pinatumba. The likes of
It doesn't look Chinese.
he will try to test your body.
Oh, good combination there by Iron. Good combination by Iron Buddy. Janseng Zhu just waiting for the right opportunity.
Yes. Ito yung laro ni Ding Sangsu. Ganyan. Hindi kailangan tiisin ni Abney lahat ng suntok na ibabato ni Ding Sangsu. Great opportunity for Abney. A one step closer.
And you have to admire, this is not his fighters.
Not
he
his
is
fighter.
here to promote this fight. Ang hirap.
Sir Sandy, ganitong kaklaseng kamaltitude na pinaprepara. Sir Sandy, Fernando Ocon brings Marlon Tapales. It be his second world title.
And for all of you to watch and to observe these two fighters, the winner will
And either fighter is a good matchup for Benito Todoro.
yeah. This is phone booth boxing. Neither.
Mahirapan dito.
Oo, pag phone booth, nasa malayo ka lang eh. Janseng Zhu, our friend from Sunstar Super Balita.
So, ganun sila ka-confidence in yeah.
Oh? By the way, Janseng with red, while Iron Paul Abney wearing pink with white. Ito naman si Janseng Zhu. Nasa corner yung dalawang boksingero. There goes the bell. And a round number 3.
Kasi Sir Sandy, kung titignan mo, lahat ng laban ni Ding Sangsu except siguro yung John Kevin Jimenez kasi second round knockout yun. Nung kinalaban niya si Richard Garden sa Vietnam, ganyan din sila nag-start until naubos yung kababayan natin.
Yan yung problema eh. No? Kung slugfest ba, yung walang atrasan, kailangan stamina, hangin. Pero kapag na-tsempohan ka, wala ka rin eh.
Oh yes, and even si Marco Rementizo, nakalaban din niya Ding Sangsu. Ganon din, nakipagsabayan siya noong early rounds. On the latter part, naubos din siya. So yun ang magiging barometer ko kung gaano magtatapos tong laban. Kung 7, 8, 9, 10, nandun si Abney, I'm sure he has a chance on winning this fight.
And so far, it's been an entertaining first 2 rounds.
Tsaka may game plan yata sila Abney talaga.
Puro uppercut na naman yung simula eh.
Oh, what?
Oh!
Pero so far, yung maraming binabato si Abney na kombinasyon na
Happening.
kung bibilangin mo yung dami ng binato.
Pero puntos, okay yun.
Pagod ka din. We are all
suntok ka
human.
na suntok. Wala nangyayari. No?
Yung first 4 round, i-gauge niya kung hanggang saan ka.
So, na yung kombinasyon. And so far, Iron Paul Abney throwing big. Pasok eh. It's hit or get hit.
Oh, yes.
Listen to the crowd.
Oh, that left did connect for Abney.
Oh.
The seemingly stuck.
Throwing everything there. And that goes round number 3.
Konti ang mandatory.
Mandatory. Yung nanalo dito.
Din yung Ian Abney. Sir Sandy
siya
talaga.
Sumusuntok eh.
Oo. Kaya medyo binababaan din ni Abne yung baba niya ng
Ang
konti.
dami ng, for me, powerful punches na yun eh.
Alam mo nga, meron nga ang kwento dito kay Ding Sangsu. Dati, Sir Sandy, pareho din siya ng Gabunilas. Pag nasa baba ng ring, soft-spoken.
Yan, ano?
Marami.
Fighter coming into this match against Guan Xing Zhu.
Babaan pa niya, hindi na umabot. Seconds left on round number 4. Oh, that left to the body did connect for Ian Abney again. Parang inaasawa na eh. Di ba? Talagang nakadikit sa'yo eh.
Wild eh. And styles makes fights.
Yes.
The way our judges here, they're not from the Philippines, too from Thailand.
Yes. Side story talaga ng laban na to. Yung Thailand sa Cebu. Oh! That right did connect for Ding.
The style.
Right, round 5 na. Ito na yung mga round na gusto niya.
Oh, yung
Takes na walang babaksak ng ganyang klaseng laban. The technical people, ang ganda ng coverage natin ngayon. Thank you very much. Kind of fatigue na rin also. Yung...
You're trying to...
Wow, grabe.
Oh! It's hit. Parang, hindi naman robot. Ano yan eh? Instinct na nila yan eh. Malaki yung mga espasyo.
Naipit.
Oh, sabay-sabay pang sumuntok.
Number 5.
Grabe yung suntukan, pero tingnan mo yung mukha.
Alam mo, Sir Sandy, ang barometer ko dito, napakahirap. Napakahirap.
Now, we've seen and we've young ring gladiators Zhu and Abney.
Tayo.
Mababa na yung tira ni Abney, ano? Borderline na sa belt eh.
Yeah.
Oh! Quick right hand by...
Oh, that upper did connect for Abney. Right, Sir Sandy.
Oh! Good combination there by Zhu.
Wow.
Parang napapagod na eh, no?
Napapagod na siya eh. Oh, he is. Tsaka sign of fatigue. That the fatigue is sinking in. Kita mo humihinga na rin ng malalim si Ding eh. He is trapped on the corner right now.
Oh.
He is trapped. Oh, that left to the
Oh!
body. Wow!
Abs looking at his head coach Fernando Ocon. That was a great anpa. Oh, saved by the bell.
Ayan na yun kasi si Abney ng sabayan.
Oh, yun. Yung estilo ni Guan Xing Zhu.
For broke also na.
Tumitira siya pero paatras eh. Ng atake. Kahit tinamaan na sa mukha, atake pa rin.
At saka yung pa. May mapapagod ka rin. Ding Sangsu continue to move forward on this nator to Dalawang hook ang pumibay din yung Abney.
Oo.
Atibay.
He went down.
Yun, tumama.
It was like a retreat punch. While
Ian Abney talaga. Yun lang talaga ang mabibilib kasi. Akala mo nga model yan
or parang bata na inutusan mo bumili ng suka.
Sa kalaban ni Ding Sangsu is Shane Hantilyan.
Well,
wala. 2 seconds, binilangan siya for a knockdown 12 round.
Natin makita ulit yung Richard Araneta, no?
Hopefully, kasi may...
And Abney is in the corner right now. Guan Xing Zhu.
Ian Abney, I go for broke. Bahala na. Kasi tumagal na rin ako eh.
Little bit that time. Good combination there by...
Wow. This
Good exchange by both. Eliminator, the winner will face Pedro Taduran, who is here tonight with us. Fighters here, young fighters. Abney went down.
Wow,
Abney with a good combination to the face of Zhu. Abney, no? Pagod eh.
Medyo baba konti. Pero yung gusto niya rin talaga.
Talpakan. Ano ba yan? 1 minute 10. Strong until now. Wala tayong nakita adjustment. Ganun lang eh.
Walang adjustment.
Walang nag-jab-jab.
Wala. Wow!
And the relentless attack. Trying to corner Abne. Zoo, 1-2. And Abne answers back of Zoo.
I lost words. Sir Sandy.
Kasi pag sinabi kong right, may left na eh.
Oo.
Oh! Oh, knockdown.
Wing sign na ayaw niya na. Nakita ko eh. Umiling na si Ian. Sarado na rin ang mata niya at
Eh, talaga sarado talaga yan.
Hindi, papa na.
Eh, kanina pa sila eh.
Oo. Hindi naman natin pwede awatin. Yung tatlo na lang.
Oh, championship round na ito ha.
Oo. Ito na yung mga deciding round. Natiis ko na lahat eh.
Umabot na ako sa round 9 eh.
Oo. Pero easier said than done, siyempre.
Natamaan, may sukli. Pag binigyan mo, may sukli ka agad eh.
Maraming.
That's Abde digging to the body.
Actually, ginawa niya. Pero naniniwala. Because nakikita mo yung features niya sa mukha.
Say, good boxing promotion by Lorenzo Cha. Ito yung nahanap ng mga boxing fans sa
Good din yung audience.
tayo rin.
Sigdo. Napagod din.
Kasi di alam kung saan sila mag-tito. Napakadali ma-fall in love ka sa kanya. Suntok lang siya ng suntok.
Sa left
sa
portion.
ulo.
Oh.
But he continues to... mga ulo yan eh. Nung tumatama kanina pa eh, no? Final 10 seconds.
Sayang din yun. Yung left straight ng Abde, hindi lang tumama. Nasa taas ni Ian Abde, he is asking for divine intervention.
Wala. Nakatayo pa rin si John Singsu at sabi, the aggressive fighter here. But Zhu is just staying in front of him. And for 6, he went down. Itong si Ian Paul Abde.
Ang laki na ng swell nung ano. Mas maganda.
Bukol yan sa Clash of Heads yan eh.
Mas maganda pang araw, dumudugo.
Oo, kasi dugo kasi yan na stuck eh.
Grabe. Konti lang pero mararamdaman mo.
Oo.
Takpan din.
We've been witnessing this style in boxing for both. And on number 10.
Wow.
The punch there by Abde. Straight. Zhu with a combination. There goes the Fury title eliminator of the IBF minimum weight division.
2 more.
He was holding on, clinging.
Dun sa ano, swelling. Tingin ko. Oo. Birahin niya ng birahin.
Tumitira si Abde. Yun yung sinasabi mo, tamaan lang niya yan.
Ang laki na nung ano,
Swelling.
swelling. Ang laki na.
Lalaki pa yan bukas.
Oh.
And now the coaches are telling ulo-ulo.
Kasi nakikita mo, nagkakakiskisa na rin yung ulo eh.
Boom!
What? Round, hindi natin kung kanino in-score yung first 4 round. Diba? Sort mo lahat. Parang magkakamali yung prediction ng Chinese na he will stoppage on 3 on 4. Tsaka parang nagkaroon ng second win yung Classic.
Donny Asdietes. Well, Abde has been cornered so many times in this fight.
Giving it all. Giving it a try. Nabuhay yung Abde.
He went down in round number 6.
Yes.
Zhu Zhu absorbing that 1-2 combination. Still, Zhu is still staying in front of Abne. With a
Date for the fight of the year.
yes. Watch the fight.
Oh.
They say for anything. But this fight, yan din, si Ayan po, kanina pa yan.
Oh. 40. The W.
Oh! And Abdi answers back. Zhu, the winner will face Pedro Taduran for the IBF minimum weight champion.
Kailangan ka magpahinga din.
Ito ang resulta. Beautiful
Grabe.
exchange. 10 seconds. All right. Beautiful finish by both. Zhu.
Wow.
After 12 rounds of boxing, winner by unanimous decision, ladies and gentlemen, Dian